Today's Ask David question was, we talked about the new regulations, David, that came into effect December the 1st. Is there a place where I can read these regulations before I decide to work with a realtor? And I said, absolutely yes. As realtors, when we do meet with people, we have to tell you about the new guidelines, and we should be presenting this 13-page document to you. It talks about the differences with if you want to work on your own and the risks of that, or working with a realtor. It kind of spells everything out. Also talks about the new different rules. And yeah, like you can find it on RECO, R-E-C-O, Real Estate Council of Ontario, and you can find the document there. Or if you know a realtor you might be wanting to work with, you should ask them. But again, if you are going to work with a realtor, you're going to need to read it. They have to explain it to you as well, even at a high level. But you should be presented that, and you need to sign one of those or acknowledge that you've received this and read it before you can do any transaction with a realtor anyway. So if you're thinking of buying and selling, you might as well get ahead of the curve, maybe review it now or talk to other realtors, and just to get an idea of what the new rules and regulations entail. So if you personally want a copy of that, I can always send that to you. Again, it's no cost to us, and I love giving information as well. So feel free to DM me if you do want a copy of that RECO document.